Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to remove and replace the key fob battery in this Honda 2-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is remove the very small Phillips screw-headed screw at the bottom of the key fob, like so. Then we're going to have to prise the case open and remove the top housing with the 2 buttons in. Now we press the 2 buttons, or press the 1 button and remove the inner housing that holds the key fob battery. To get out of that key fob battery, we need to get a flat-headed screwdriver, and then the indentation on the side, like so, we need to twist it to prise apart the casing. We need to get a very small flat-headed screwdriver to remove the key fob battery from its housing. This key fob takes a CR1616 key fob battery like this. We get our new key fob battery and we place it back in the housing like so. We notice that the writing on the key fob battery is facing down and the positive side of the battery is facing upwards towards you. Now we need to put it back together. We take the case in, we push it back together like so, and we hear it click. We get the case in, we will line it all up like so. We get the key fob case in, we pull it back together, make sure it all clicks back together. We get the very small screw and we try and put it back in its location, like so. And there you go, it's all done.